Hi friends, welcome to the introductory class on operations research. Let me first introduce myself. I am Shamprit, a faculty member for operations research and Associate Dean Academics. I have a master's in economics and operations research, followed by MPhil in management and an executive postgraduate program from IIM Kozhikode. I have around 16 years of teaching experience and 10 years of experience in consulting and training. I generally teach courses which deal with numbers. In semester 1, I teach quantitative methods, followed by operations management in semester 2. In semester 3, I teach operations research and I teach financial business analytics in semester 4. Let me take this opportunity, my dear friends, to introduce to you the very interesting course, Operations Research. It is a discipline that deals with the application of advanced analytical methods to help make better decisions. I repeat, to help make better decisions. And since this course deals with solving management problems and thereby helps us in taking better business decisions, this course is often referred to as management science or decision science. Let us think on these problems. Let us all assume that after spending 2 years with IBS, you have been recruited by a company and the company has asked you to design a media plan on advertisement for the company's product. Or you have been recruited as a financial advisor with a leading bank and you have been asked to manage and design portfolio of high net worth individuals. The problem is, how would you design that portfolio? Or as an HR manager, you have to prepare the duty rosters for the employees of your company. Or you have been recruited as a strategy consultant and you are designing the competitors matrix for your company. We can also assume that you are traveling for a business purpose and you are standing in a long queue for collecting boarding pass at the airline's counter. You might have thought, why are there not more counters? All these problems can easily be resolved through this course, decision science or operations research. The concept of linear programming problem can easily solve problems like designing the media plan, preparing the duty roster, or designing the portfolio of your client. The concept of game theory will help us to prepare the competitors matrix. Long queues at the airline's counter or even at the movie theater can be optimized by the concept of waiting line theory. So what are we going to learn in this course? We will start with the introduction to basic concepts. We will then move on to linear programming problems, then to transportation and assignment problems. Then we will talk about game theory, waiting lines, simulation, and replacement theory. So my dear friends, you will have to wait for another few more days. Then we will start our online classes. Thank you till we meet in the online classes.